The only products you need as a beginner in makeup are moisturizer, primer, setting spray, foundation, mascara, lipstick, brow tamer, eye pencil, press powder, and these three brushes. This is for the foundation, and this is for the press powder, and this is to conceal your eyebrows, and a small spoolie to brush your eyebrows. I'm using clear lash glue as my brow tamer to set my eyebrows in place. You can use any other substitute. You can use soap, Go-To-Be, or styling gel, whatever works for you. This is just to ensure that your eyebrows don't move, and it makes this part easier to do. So I prefer filling in my eyebrows. I don't like outlining the whole eyebrow and drawing it from the start. So I just fill in using light strokes, and it makes it easier for me because I don't have to, do geometry on my face. The hassle of making sure that your eyebrows are straight and the thickness is the same is just too much for me. Yeah, that's what I'm calling geometry. I use black eye pencil because my eyebrows are really dark, but if your eyebrows are not dark, you can use a brown eye pencil. As I'm doing this, I'll tell you what you don't need as a beginner. You don't need concealer, you don't need contour, you don't need blush. You also don't need eyeshadow and eyeliner and lashes. The reason why I'm saying this is because you need to learn one thing at a time. Ukifanya kila kitu all at once, utaboeka na makeup juu itakaa ngumu sana. So yeah, if you have to conceal your eyebrows, use your foundation. Makeup is not just products, it's about technique, and you have to master that technique so you can't do it the first time and get it. So I have started with moisturizer and then my oil control cream because my face is oily around my nose and my forehead and my chin. Then I went in with my primer and foundation. And then if you can get an original foundation, you won't regret it. The problem with these cheaper foundations is that they are fake, 1. 2, they're very oily, and 3, they don't last long. The foundations wear out so fast. You'll do your makeup in the morning and by noon you don't have makeup.